Oh, I know. You ready? Oh. We're gonna get started in a second. Mm-hmm. Oh, you ready? Okay. Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new year. Same old boxes. I haven't picked up any new ones yet, but I'm thinking about maybe changing it up a little bit. So let me know down below if there's any new boxes you would like me to try out right here on my channel. In today's video, we're going to be opening up our Birchbox for January 2021. This is a $15 a month subscription. In here, we should get between like 5 and 7 beauty, skincare, hair care, and makeup samples. If you're new to my channel, I am a cruelty-free YouTuber, so if at any time while I'm filming, I don't know if something's cruelty-free or not, I will definitely display that on the screen right here for you, as well as the estimated sample size value if it's a sample, or I will put the full size value if it is full size. I have dogs, which you probably can hear playing with the toy right there. That's Josie. So sometimes there's background sounds. It's just part of my channel. So if you don't like dogs, this probably isn't the place for you because they interrupt quite a bit. If you don't mind, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up for me and hit that little subscribe button right down there so you can see all my videos. Okay, let's just go ahead and open this up. I've wasted enough time. Well, this is interesting. This is very interesting. Okay, so normally, let me see if I have one. I have one right here. I save a couple of these. I save a couple of these boxes if they're really cool, but they normally come in like a normal cardboard box like this. But for some reason, this month's is in a clear plastic thing, which normally I wouldn't be the biggest fan of, but I feel like I can use this for makeup storage, like put it in my makeup drawers and store stuff and organize it. So definitely not mad about that. It does say Birchbox right there on it, but no big deal. I definitely will reuse this. So normally not like the biggest fan of plastic, but in this case where it's something I could definitely use, not mad. Okay, so when you open it up, it is going to have this little card right here. This will have the theme for the month, which is taking care of your skin can be easy. And then it has little tips for taking care of your skin, which are pretty much normally common sense. On the back is going to have everything we're getting as well as their full size value. It looks like we are getting 5 things this month. I kind of like this month it came in this like iridescent like tissue almost. That's kind of cool. I'm definitely going to reuse that. All right, let's just go ahead and pull out the first thing I'm seeing right on top. This is from Verb, which is cruelty free. This is the Ghost Shampoo. I have used a couple hair products from this brand and I love the way it smells. It smells super clean. They have a hair oil that I use almost any time I do actually this to my hair because I get little like flyaways up here and I use the oil to like deal with the flyaways. So I really, really like this brand. I've never tried a shampoo from them though, so it already kind of leaked out even through the safety seal. But yeah, it smells just like their other like clean scents, I guess is what I would say. Yeah, it is weightless, color safe, and it cleans. Obviously, it's a shampoo. So yeah, definitely excited to use this. It is pretty small, but I could probably get like 2 or 3 uses out of that. The full size value of this is 18 bucks. So I don't know, it just depends on how much I like it, honestly. I do pay good money for some shampoo, like my purple shampoo I use is not expensive, but it's probably around the same price as 18 bucks. So I'm not opposed to paying that much for a shampoo if I really, really like it. Just looking at the card, I'm going to go ahead and pull the next thing. I also have the Ghost Verb Conditioner. Sorry, the Verb Ghost Conditioner. This is Protect, Detangle, and Soften. So yeah, definitely, I mean, this is probably like 1.5 uses really. I use a ton of conditioner. I think most girls can relate to that where you'll run out of your conditioner and you'll still have like half a bottle of shampoo. I don't know what it is with us in conditioner, but I definitely go through conditioner faster. Okay, and the conditioner also is valued at 18 bucks full size. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is from Dr. Botanicals, which is cruelty free. This is the Poe mask, which I don't like that name, but it's short for pomegranate, if you can see that right there. This is a superfood regenerating sleeping mask. So use 2 to 3 times per week. Apply a thin layer on a clean, dry skin in the evening. Allow mask to sink into the skin and leave on overnight. Typically not my favorite sort of mask. I like a sheet mask or a like 5-minute mask. I just don't tend to use these very often because I kind of have my skincare routine down and I don't know where to put an overnight mask in with my skincare routine. I guess I could Google it and find out. So I'll think about this. Let's see if it smells like pomegranate, because I was just going to say that I love the way pomegranate scent is. So let's see. Ooh, it's creamy, which I don't know what I was expecting. Of course it's creamy. It doesn't really smell like pomegranate. I can only smell that shampoo yeah, it doesn't really smell like anything, so it must just have pomegranate in it. It just is not pomegranate scented. And the full size of the mask is $9.90, so fairly affordable, I'd say, depending on how big it is. Sometimes I say that, and then I look at the full size value, and like, this will actually be the full size value. Then I'm like, well, it's not really a good deal. So depending on how big the full size is, it's a good price. Okay. Moving right along, let's just go ahead and pull out this next thing that I've received like 8,000 times from pretty much all the beauty boxes that have sample sizes. This is the Benefit Gimme Brow. They are not cruelty-free. This is in the shade Warm Golden Blonde, which I've talked about before. I obviously don't have naturally blonde hair, but I get blonde products because my hair is dyed blonde, but my eyebrows are brown. And I think even people who have, well, maybe not. I don't know. If you have naturally blonde hair, are your eyebrows blonde too? Or can you have brown eyebrows? I don't know. Someone let me know. I've never tried this just because I've been cruelty-free since I've been getting subscription boxes. So, but I know some people really, really do like it, and just not me. And the full size is 24 bucks, which I don't even know if I would pay that. That's like basically a brow mascara if you've never heard of it. And I don't think I would pay 24 bucks for a brow mascara, personally. I mean, actually, I used to use a pomade, but now I'm on to like brow powder. And I get this one from Ulta. Right there. I've had this for like a couple months and it's lasting me forever, and it's like under $10. So would I pay 24 bucks for that? No. Okay, we have one last item. This is from Kate Somerville, which I believe is cruelty-free. This is the Wrinkle Warrior 2-in-1 Plumping Moisturizer Plus Serum. I definitely am curious to give that a go. I'm obviously a little bit older, so wrinkles are a concern of mine as I, continue to age, as we all do. I kind of like that this has the moisturizer and the serum in one. That's kind of interesting to me. So that would like take 2 steps down to 1. So I definitely will use this. It's about half full just looking at it through the light. So I'll probably get a couple of uses out of it, and not probably enough to tell if it would make a difference or not in my skin, but I definitely will give it a go. And the full size value of this is $95, which serums are more expensive, but I don't know if I would pay that personally. You can get really affordable skincare that has like the same benefits that you don't have to pay $100 for. But there are some things that I enjoy that are more expensive and I will pay that for, but I don't know if I would pay that for that personally. But yeah, that's this entire box. It kind of went fast. It's kind of what happens when you get a shampoo and a conditioner. It kind of feels like it should have been 1 item instead of 2 items. But this box had, well, it had 1 makeup item. That's the Benefit product, which I'm not going to use. It did have 2 skincare items, which I find usually in January is always skincare boxes. So I anticipate a lot of my boxes this month being very skincare heavy. I think it's just like new year, new face. I don't know. They're always all about skincare. Yeah, that's all I have for today's video. Don't forget, if you liked it, to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And yeah, we'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.